everyone, this is Amy here checking in. How's it going? I'm actually out in the Abbotsford Grind right now just to fit in the quick workout. Anyways, once I get into the viewpoint area, I'll check in with you guys later. Alright, peace out! Hi everyone, this is Amy here checking in. How's it going? So I have finally arrived to the viewpoint of the Abbotsford Grind. Let's talk about the trail stats on this trail. It's about 4 kilometers round trip with an elevation gain of 330 meters. Average time is about an hour and a half return, and this hike classifies as an intermediate hike. And let's put it this way. It's nothing comparing to the Grouse Grind. It's just another alternative to the Grouse Grind, okay? Like, the Grouse Grind is actually much harder and difficult to, and steeper. But this one, you get up to a viewpoint and then you go back down on the trail. So it's less intensive of the Grouse Grind trail. But it's another great little workout place if you want to fit in a workout on this trail. So anyways, I'll give you a little bit of the tour. There's you know, the background here of the lookout point, kind of nice here. And this hike is actually located in Abbotsford BC in the Fraser Valley, which is kind of nice. It's not bad out here. You can also go to the Tiger Peak as well too. I think that one is about, if you're doing it round trip, about 10 kilometers round trip. I think elevation gain maybe just a little bit more. I can't remember the stats out of my head right now, but maybe next time I'll come back and do that peak again, and then we'll go from there. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. It's actually kind of nice to fit in this hike before actually the rain comes later this week. Anyways, hope you guys like my YouTube video, and if you guys do, please subscribe and stay tuned for my next adventure. Peace out!